channel, and today I will surely give you the solution of my previous video. If you have not seen that video, then you can click on the top at the top right corner of the video screen, and iCard is displaying. Okay, first of all, go and check it out. What was the problem at that time when I was streaming my videos through Windows Movie Maker. Now I will give you the most easiest way to trim out your videos. You can easily use this software. This software is on a free trial version, or you can also purchase it, but I am also currently using it as a free trial version. So the name of the software is Bandicut. Here you can see it. You can go at the browser, just type it out, Bandicut, or in fact I can give you the link in my description. So guys, if you are a beginner or a teenager, you can easily learn how to edit your videos, how to trim out your videos, or you can in fact merge your videos by using this simplest software. Okay, so without wasting any time, we will surely start onto it, and let's ready to be a professional in video editing. Okay guys, so I am starting up my software Bandicut. Now here you can see three options: cut, split or join. You can cut out your video stream if you want. I am taking a random video here. Okay, here's my random video. Okay, I'll just take few parts of the video. For example, I am taking this part of my video. In fact, I'll short it down. Okay, this part of my video, and now this part of my video is saved on my left side. Now you can see, also play out the video. This is your video. Okay, now I'll take another add segment. I have clicked on add segment. Now I will check another portion of the video. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so guys, you have take that out, the section of your videos. You can trim it out from the bar as much as portion you want. You can trim it out. I am just taking this portion, and now if you want to merge both of the portion of your video, then you can click on the merge segments, and now you can start it out. Okay, start it out. You can also save to the directory where you want. Okay, now I am replacing it, name it's known as P or cool. Okay, now it's starting, the process is going on. Okay, it is still going on, and now it is completed. Okay, now I will play out the video. Okay, this is the video here. Okay, so it is absolutely, I muted down. Okay, so I am saying that it is absolutely merged. Okay, so guys, keep supporting my channel, keep liking my channel, and if you have not subscribed it yet, then surely you can go for it. And if you have any question regarding this video, you can comment me up. I'll surely respond it as soon as possible. So guys, thank you so much for supporting me.